Senior leaders from manufacturing industry across a range of sectors should seriously consider joining this workshop.
Like, for example, CEO, Vice President of Strategy, Vice President of Digital Transformation, or the Vice President of Service.
I think people who are looking for new growth opportunities, looking for opportunities to transform the market in which they operate, perhaps concerned about new market entrants who might be taking away their ability to deliver service for their products and exploiting the data that they otherwise might use themselves.
And of course are looking for other strategies and approach for their team to step out of business as usual. So as participant of the strategic workshop, you will get a better understanding of best practices, pitfalls, and the right strategies to avoid them. You will get an insight into how to drive momentum and how to navigate disruption. You will develop an action plan for the next 3 months, and of course you will expand your network of like-minded peers. So come and join us in Cambridge, 29th of January. Really looking forward to see you there.